Hello, welcome to Jumanne Locs tutorial. Today we want to learn how to install instant locks. We will start by making clean partings. To do so, we will use a rat tail comb, a taper comb, and molding gel wax. We will need to keep the hair out of the way using hair clips. Our client wanted medium-sized locks, and we will try as much as possible to make the partings clean and equal. The tool we are going to use next is a 0.5mm crotchet. We will now transform the partings into locks by a process known as crocheting. You will need to be careful while using this tool so that you don't prick your fingers by accident. It took me a lot of practice to master using it. To protect your fingers, you may need to wear thimbles. I have never worn one because I like feeling the locks with my fingers as I crochet to help me judge when the hair is tight enough. And to be honest, I pricked my fingers many times until I got used to using the crochet without hurting myself. You can go over the strand again to tighten the areas that are not tight enough. The next step will be to interlock the locks to make them tight and neat at the scalp. And in doing so, we will use a hook and latch crochet. From here, I will now speed up the video because I will just repeat the process over and over till I'm done. I am done installing the locks. Now it is time to give my client a nice fade and trim at the hairline. Lastly, I will spray the hair using the sheen spray to give the hair a nice shine and clean finish. Thank you for staying with me to the end. I hope that you find this video useful. Please subscribe and share. See you in the next video.